First, I preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then I prepare the fish. You can use any white fish you prefer. As seasonings, I use salt, pepper, parsley, garlic, and some lemon juice. I put it in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. I suggest you check it after 10 minutes just to be sure you don't overcook it. I chopped up some mushrooms and asparagus and I put it in the frying pan. First I grilled them for a few minutes and then I added some water so the vegetables get cooked properly. I added some salt and pepper as well. It's very easy and fast to make this meal. It takes literally no more than 20 minutes. For my next lunch idea, I'm going to prepare some roasted potatoes and steak. First, I preheated the oven to 230 degrees Celsius. Then I washed and peeled the potatoes. When I finished cutting them, I put them on the baking sheet, and as seasonings, I use taco seasoning, salt and pepper. I drizzle some olive oil on the baking pan and on top of the potatoes. I let them bake in the oven for 23 minutes. And then I went to prepare my steak. I seasoned it with salt and pepper. For more flavor, you can add some butter. I didn't have any, so I just used olive oil. And if your steak has more fatty parts, you probably don't need any oil and just use the fat itself for cooking. In the meantime, I made a quick salad as well. I added some baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, and I seasoned it with salt and pepper and some olive oil. For my third lunch idea, I made avocado sauce pasta. I will leave the full recipe in the description below. For the quick version, boil 100 grams or half a cup of cashews for 15 minutes and then rinse them under cold water and drain them. Then you're gonna start putting your sauce ingredients in the blender. I put 80 grams fresh baby spinach, 1 lemon juiced, 2 garlic cloves peeled, a little bit of fresh basil, 1 avocado. Then you're gonna add half a cup of olive oil, 1 cup of soy milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cracked pepper, half a cup of cooked and cooled cashews. Cook your pasta to your packet instructions. Mine said 3 minutes. And once pasta is cooked, you can drain it and then return it to a pot. And then at the end, you're gonna pour the sauce over your cooked pasta and stir through.